Wildcats. Today is Thursday, October 18, 2012. I'm Eric Shamai. Let's have a great day today. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for Wheatley's motto. I am somebody. The me I'll see is the me I'll be. I can be respectful, responsible, and resourceful. I can succeed. Today's weather forecast is a high of 64 degrees and mostly windy. Happy birthday to Tamaya and Trey Coleman. Happy birthday from WPWE. Here's Ms. Gregory with the core content.
Good morning, boys and girls. Our reading core content for today is the word plot. The plot is the sequence of the story or events in a novel, play, or movie. So the plot is what happens in a movie, who the characters are, who the setting is. The plot deals with where it's set and then all the events that lead up to what's called the climax at the end, and then after that it's kind of the resolution of the story. So that's what the plot is. And a composite number. A composite number is a natural number with more than two factors. So we know that the number 2 is a prime number because it doesn't have any factors. If you can take a number like 8 and you can divide it out into factors. So factors of 8 would be 4 and 2 would be factors of 8. And then you can't break 2 down anymore because it's a prime number. And so then you have 4, and factors of 4 are 2 and 2. What it means with factors is things you can multiply together to get that number. Okay? So 4 times 2 equals 8, and then 2 times 2 equals 4. You divide it out until you get to prime numbers, but these are composite numbers. 8 is a composite number because you can do that. And now for our words of wisdom. Good morning, Wheatley Elementary. This is Mrs. Gregory with a few words of wisdom. Ida B. Wells was a beautiful African-American woman with great courage. In the 1800s, she ran a newspaper. She wrote articles about how African Americans were not being treated with respect and fairness. At that time in our history, many people didn't like what she was writing and threatened to hurt her if she didn't stop. Many people around the world are still being treated unfairly. If Ida B. Wells were still alive, what would she say to us? She would probably encourage us to speak out by writing letters that express our frustration, concerns, or idea for solutions. Remember this: you are never too young to make a difference. You can write your congressman or mayor or to the editor of your local newspaper. You can help make things better by letting your voice be heard and by sharing your thoughts. With something to think about, this is Mrs. Gregory. Make it a great day or not. The choice is yours. The fruit of today, fruit and vegetable for today, the fruit is honeydew. Honeydew is just like cantaloupe, except it tastes a lot sweeter. They are pastel green in color, and they taste like honey. That's why it's called honeydew. Special announcements today: cheerleading is after school from 4 to 5. And don't forget, boys and girls, the difference between a good day and a bad day are the choices that you make. Have a great day, Wheatley Elementary.